the International Commission of Inquiry on Crimes Against Humanity committed by the Bush administration. In October 2005 and January 2006, a commission of inquiry inspired by the Not in Our Name Statement of Conscience held hearings in New York City to investigate 5 indictments against the Bush administration for war crimes and crimes against humanity. Witnesses included a former Army Brigadier General, a British ambassador, CIA analysts, journalists, veterans of the Iraq War, Katrina survivors, and global climate and health experts. The Bush administration was invited to defend their actions. They declined.
The military dominance has gone along with an immorality, which now, in these last years especially, has reached the point of crime.
So may I suggest that this commission focus on its American capabilities? That is so important. Washington only listens to Americans. The rest of us do not count. UN does not count. International law does not count. They listen to you.
There is this profound objection to this war, and in this, no one is more implicated than the people of the United States.
This commission covered a broad range of indictments against the administration. Wars of aggression against Afghanistan and Iraq, illegal detention and use of torture, destruction of the global environment with particular emphasis on global warming, destruction of international health programs, especially those concerned with AIDS, HIV, and criminal lack of preparation in response to Hurricane Katrina.
One of the things that we have wanted to do through this is to provoke a debate in the United States over whether, in fact, the administration is committing crimes against humanity. Up to this point, the terms of discourse had been more along the lines of, well, these are mistakes, or these are the results of bad intelligence. We felt that was actually not the case. We felt there was actual criminality involved. We actually needed to probe in, document, and then provide a condemnation on the basis of an actual documentation of what these people had done.
The commission assembled a panel of prestigious jurists credentialed in their professions and as people of conscience. Ajoya A. Ayatoro, former executive director, National Conference of Black Lawyers. Dennis Brutus, former prisoner with Nelson Mandela on Robben Island, South Africa. Abdeen Jabara, former president of the American Arab Anti-Discrimination Committee. Ajamu Sankofa, Executive Director of Physicians for Social Responsibility, New York. Anne Wright, former U.S. diplomat and retired U.S. Army Reserve Colonel.